Hi and Assalamualaikum. So in this video, I will demonstrate on how to make a calibration using MATLAB for finding the distortion from the picture that have been taken from smartphone. So the smartphone that I have used is iPhone 11. Alright, first thing, what we need to do is we have to take a picture, at least 5 pictures. So here is the picture that I have snapped before, right? Picture 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right, so after that we open MATLAB. Right, so what we need to do next is we have to upload a folder in the current folder here for the coding. Alright, so for coding, what we need to do is we have to find it in the Google. We just type Caltech camera calibration. Right, so we scroll down and this is it. We have to download it right here. Okay, after we download, right, so what we need to do is we have to upload it, the toolbox calib in the current folder. Here is it. Okay, and then the picture that we have take before, we have to paste it also in the calibration in the toolbox calib that we have uploaded in the current folder. Right, so in the command window, what we need to do is we have to type calib underscore GUI, and then we click standard image names. Right, okay, so here we have to click color the file name, and this is the for the image format JPG. Right, so we just need to wait until the loading image. Okay, so this is the picture that we have to calibrate. Okay, next what we need to do is, okay, in the calibration tools, we have to extract the image. So right here we just have to enter, and here we have to click 5. The format is 5, enter and enter. Alright, so right here we have to click 4 corner to find it, the where is the position we want to calibrate. So in this picture we click here, here, here and here. Alright, so and then we click enter, enter. So here it is. Right, so we just have to repeat the same step for the next 4 picture. Alright, so this is the green mark here is represent for detected points, and then this plus red symbol is represent for reprojected points. So after we done clicking all 4 position for all 5 pictures, right, so what we need to do is we click back the calibration tools, and then we click show intrinsic parameters. Right, so here is it. Alright, so in this extrinsic parameters, what we can see is this red box is represent for the camera, and this 5 object here, in this, for this 5 grid box here is where is the image is located. Right, while if we switch to world center view right here, what we can see is this is 5 floating box where it is represent for the camera in different angle. Right, and this grid box here is represent for the image. Right, so Next, what we need to do is we need to click back the calibration toolbox here, right? So we click the analyze error in. Okay, so for this graph, what we can see is a different plus symbol color, where every color is represent for the images, right? uh, so for this green is represent for image 3. Alright, so this red represent for image 2, right? This blue here is represent for image 1, and this light blue is represent for image 5, and black is represent for image 4. So if we click one by one the symbol, it will show the details right here. It will show the details right here, the details that what we need to know. So like image coordinates, the pixel error, and other details that shows here, right? So what we can analyze from this graph is if the symbol is near to y equal to 0 and x equal to 0, it means that the distortion is low. So if the symbol is far from x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, it means that the distortion for the image is high, right? So like example, this green is far from x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, so that means is the distortion is high. So for this black, I take example for this black, or this light blue, we can see that it's near to x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, so that means the distortion for the image is low. Alright, so for the last part is, what we need to do is we just have to click back the calibration toolbox, and then we need to get the undistort image. So we just click this undistort image, and then it will loading, and then it will save the undistort image in the current folder, so you can find it right there. So that's all for the demonstration video. So thank you. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ifazlaika binti Saiful Bahri and my metric number is 8170131. Today I'm going to present to you my assignment 1 for a vision system, which is I will be using MATLAB, where I downloaded Camera Calibration Toolbox from Caltech Camera Calibration. So the device that I will be using is Huawei Nova 7i, which has 48 megapixels. So I have downloaded the toolbox and loaded here, and then I will be using 5 sample pictures, which will be named as color 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the first step is type calib or calib_GUI, and then press enter, and then we'll pick the standard one and then the image name. So as I said before, the base name will be color, which is here. I will type color, and then the file is JPEG. Then it will load my sample pictures, which is 1 until 5. So these are my sample pictures that I've took, and then I will click on extract grid corner. So here numbers of image to process, so I just press enter, and then if I want to use default, I can use default, but I will use 5 instead, then 5 again, and just press enter. So I have to extract the grid corners for each and every pictures that I have, the images, the sample images that I have. So this is my image 1, Then I just press enter. Then here I just press enter as well, enter as well. And then the second image that I have, then I just press enter. Alright, then this is my third image. Then just press enter again, and then again. Okay, this is my fourth image. Okay, and then I just press enter. And this will be my last image for me to extract the grid corner. Alright, and then I just press enter again. Alright, then here it says done. So after it says done, I'll have to do calibration. Then they will show two calibration parameters, which are after initialization and after optimization. So we're going to look at the after optimization here. Then I have the focal length, principal point, skew, distortion, as well as pixel error. So for skew and distortion, as you can see, this is 0. And then for distortion, this is 0 as well at point number 5. This is because pixel axis for X and Y is 90 degrees. This is an assumption by MATLAB. And then after I do this, I just have to click the show extrinsic. Okay, so as you can see here, this is where my camera location is. This is for extrinsic, and then this is where my camera will be located, and these are the images that will be formed, that is captured, and the position of the images. So as you can see, this is image which is color number 1 that I took. The image will be captured like that, and then the image for color 2 is captured like that by the camera, and then the image 3, the color 3 will be captured like that by the camera, and number 4 as well as number 5 here, the blue colored one. And then I can click on the world as well, and then I can see here, this is my image, this is the picture that I took, and then this will be the cameras located for the image to be formed. So this is where the color 1 camera is in order to take the picture. This is camera 2 for color 2. This is color 3. This is color 4, like that, and then this is color 5. After that, I can analyze the error. As you can see, the distribution is quite high, means that there are error. Then this is image 3 as I click here, the farthest point, and then the last one will be I click on the undistorted image. So here I just press enter, and then I just have to wait for a while for it to save inside my file. So it will save the color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4, as well as color 5, the undistorted version. And done. So I can go back to the file that I've saved it, the toolbox calib, and then I can see here, this is my color rack 1 after I've undistorted. And then this is color rec 2, this is color rec 3, color rec 4, color rec 5. This is the original image that I took. Well, that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arif Iskandar bin Mahmud. My matric number is CE180074. Okay, I will show how to do the camera calibration using a MATLAB. First step is we have to capture the picture of checkerboard. So I already take a picture of checkerboard using a smartphone, which is I use iPhone 12. So after transfer to the computer, we have to copy this image and transfer to the folder of toolbox calibration that I installed from the internet. So this is the picture that I already copy and paste in the folder, and then we open the MATLAB and we have to make sure that the folder of toolbox is already select and put in the MATLAB. So this is the folder lah, and we have to make sure the picture that we paste on the folder have in this. So this is the image that I put, and so the first command that we have to do is calib_GUI, and this is when we must choose the stand one, which is all the image are stored in memory. We press the stand one, and for the first one is image name. So base main that image that I put is image. So we type image, and the image format is GPG. The image is loading for the 5 image that I already captured using a smartphone. So this is the picture of checkerboard that I already captured. And then can extrude the grid corner. So this is he asks the how many picture that I want to process. Just press enter, which is the all image that I want to process, and enter, enter, and enter. So for this one, we have to put the 4 location at the checkerboard image. This one, the fourth. So press enter, and this is the size of square that inside the checkerboard for the red one, and enter, and it okay. We must do all point the 4 point at the 5 image of checkerboard that are already captured. Okay, the last image. Done. Press enter. Done. We can calibrate the image and press the button of calibration, and the result is come out. So this is the result of the calibration, and this is the value of the distortion of the image, and focal length, principal point, and pixel error. And then we can show the extrinsic. So this one, you can see that this is the camera that I captured, and this is the image, which is have the different angle that I captured, which is the camera is static and the image is with different angles. You can switch to the position of the camera, and the image is static, and this is the position of the camera that I captured. So then we can also analyze the error. So this is the error of the 5 image that I captured. So we can know that the nearest point to the 0, so the less error that have at the image. So we can see that here they have error, and then we can undistort the image and press the and he asks want to all undistort all the calibration image, so press enter, so it will undistort all the image. Wait. It will save the image after in the undistorted. It will save the image under image rec 1 and until rec 5, which is have 5 picture that I already captured and do the calibration using this MATLAB. So quite slow. Wait. Okay, done. So this the picture of the undistorted image is already in this toolbox folder. Is this one. We can see that the image of distortion image that are already using the calibration of MATLAB, and we can see undistorted image that already MATLAB. So okay, this is the undistorted image that I get from the calibration of the MATLAB. This one, there 5. This one. So it's okay. We can see that they have do some the effect for the undistorted image. This is the real one, the real picture that I already captured using the smartphone. And after distortion, it will be like this. Okay. That's all from me. Thank you.